What if your garden had a silent guardian that could transform it overnight? Adam, an avid gardener, stumbled upon an AI-driven app that promised precision in plant care like he'd never seen before. Intrigued, he decided to give it a try, inputting details of his beloved plants. Overnight, the AI assessed each plant's needs, offering tailored advice on watering, lighting, and nutrients. The results were astonishing, with flourishing greens and vibrant blooms appearing as if by magic. This technology provided not just guidance, but a newfound harmony between nature and nurture, illustrating how AI's quiet capabilities can subtly revolutionize daily routines in unexpected ways.